Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a little different setup, and I think depending on how this goes when I go to edit it, we might be doing videos here more often in this spot. So I'm gonna be unboxing a new Supreme hoodie for me. Now, it's not new, like it came out earlier, and then obviously Supreme is done for the season, but they did drop their sale, and I went to go check it, and I was like, it's only $100 for this hoodie, and the hoodie's normally $150 retail, and then it'd come out to like $170 with tax. So I was like, why not snag it? Maybe try to flip it, make a couple bucks, and if not, I'll just keep it because it's kind of fire. And I'm just gonna show you guys real quick right here. And the stickers that they sent are insane. So I mean, obviously, you know, 2 Supreme stickers, not 1, 2. Whoa, they're hooking it up this time. But this one goes so crazy, and I didn't even know this was a thing. It's like a this one goes so crazy, and I didn't even know it was a thing. It's like a social security card, and it says USA 94 2020 Supreme, never mind the fucking bullshit, politics as usual, out of order. Like, this gives me ideas for what like I want to do for my like anti-corporation and like fuck society collection for my streetwear brand. Link down below if you want to check it out. I don't know, you know, you could do your own little unboxing. Maybe I'll post it, maybe I'll post a reaction video to it. But anyway, fire sticker. I definitely want to stick that on my laptop. So if you're wondering, oh, what hoodie did you get? Well, I'm about to show you, because we got this one right here. It's the Animals hoodie. Personally, I think this color goes so crazy, like the ash gray on purple. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but there was a couple other colors, and black went pretty crazy as well, but this just happened to be the one that I snagged. I think I was gonna go for another one, but then I kind of hesitated too long, and it ended up getting sold out. But I did happen to snag this in my size. Obviously, Supreme hoodies are always crazy good quality. You can wear them year round. A lot of them are heavy. They do make some lightweight ones, but the ones that I've had are heavy. This one right here actually feels a little lighter than normal, because I have the Supreme Blood and Semen one. That thing is heavy. That is a winter hoodie for sure. This one right here definitely feels a little lightweight, and man, I have not gotten a new Supreme hoodie in so long. Now, obviously, standard Supreme tag. These tags go so crazy, and as a streetwear brand like myself, I look up to Supreme's quality stuff because they do put a lot of work into it. Like, I would love to have some crazy design all over print like this. Like, this goes wild. Yo, what is this? Why is there? All right, so anyway, you cannot tell me this doesn't go crazy. Like, this color, you wouldn't think. Like, who would have been like, yeah, ash gray, purple, dogs with wings. Yes, it is so tough. Supreme definitely hires some crazy good artists. As always, you know, normal Supreme style. You got the cuffs right there looking all stylish. Over here, I love this little addition. Like, it is so fire. I need to do something like that. Supreme inspires all. Not all. Bape does have some cool stuff too. But I also look up to a lot of underground streetwear brands. I won't lie, Supreme is most definitely one of my favorite mainstream streetwear brands, next to like Bape, Kith, Billionaire Boys Club, all that good stuff. Antisocial. Those would be like mainstream streetwear brands in my eyes. But, you know, still pretty fire. Go support underground streetwear brands though. And yeah, let's get a close-up real quick. So as we get to the close-up, you could obviously tell like all that detail they put in there. That is actually crazy, and it's such a simple concept, but yet so cool. Like the hoodie print, and then at the top of the hood it says Supreme. That is a very like subtle way of branding it too, because I know sometimes they go a little crazy with their branding, I won't lie, but I do kind of like this style of having it super subtle like that. And then you just got the print all over, all the way down the sleeve. I really think that this was a slept on piece, but over time I think it will grow into a higher priced one for resale value, as most Supreme hoodies do sometimes, including the Blood and Semen one that I had. It had retailed at normal hoodie price, so it was about, I would say I paid maybe $150. That was before they started taxing, and shipping was only $10, so it was whatever. So I paid like $150. That was the first ever Supreme item I bought. And I was like, yo, I grabbed it. This is easy. Bought like a Blood and Semen hat and a t-shirt. And I was like, all right, this is like my first ever Supreme drop. And I bought it, sold it on eBay like fairly quick for $300. And I was like, yo, this is wild. And then I canceled the sale because I was like, this is my first Supreme hoodie like I've ever bought. And I was like hyped up because it was like, what, fall winter 17 or something, or either spring summer 17 maybe. So I was hyped up, and I ended up keeping it. And now I think the hoodie resells for about like $400 or $450. So it jumped up from that price too. So I think I want to say I've seen some that were up there in the 400s, but still, crazy hoodie. I've probably only worn this a couple times. Like, I couldn't tell you the last time I wore it, just because I haven't had a reason to bust it out yet. But this is definitely one of the heavier Supreme hoodies too. I love Supreme hoodie quality. It is most definitely one of my favorite. Off topic, another really cool underground brand. Well, I wouldn't say too underground, would be Misfits, which is Jaden Smith's clothing line. That, it goes crazy. I have 2 hoodies of theirs, and these hoodies are super nice, and I would recommend going shopping with them because these designs are insane. Super underground too, like people really don't know it unless you're a Jaden Smith's fan or you're kind of just like into streetwear like that, but I fuck with his music and that brand is so dope. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down below about this hoodie. I really like it. I'm not gonna be mad if I can't sell it because it is a very fire piece and I need a tripod. My wrist is about to fall off. I'm gonna get a tripod, but I wouldn't be mad because it is a pretty fire piece and I'll wear it at some point. I don't even have a purple outfit, so actually, hold up. These might go good with it. The Adidas, like NASA kinda shoes, that might go good with it. I don't know. Maybe. We'll have to see. I'll have to put it all together if it doesn't sell. But I mean, if you want it, hit me up. If you see this, Instagram, Hybrid Josh, go crazy. Go follow my streetwear brand, Hybrid Studios US, go crazy. I'm also selling this Supreme headband if you want it too. Hit me up. Who knows, by the time someone sees this video, it might be sold already. You never know. Just shoot your shot. Be like, yo, even if this is like 3 years down the line and someone's going through and looking at old videos, shoot me a DM. Be like, yo, you still got that headband? I'll be like, you know, but I'll probably buy you one, assuming, you know, the YouTube thing goes and does its thing and all that. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.